Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're talking about what we believe is the best Repairing Keratin 300ml conditioner on the market. The Keratin Complex Keratin Care Smoothing Conditioner. If you're battling frizz, dryness, or post-treatment dullness, this might just be your new holy grail. Let's get into what makes this product stand out. The Keratin Complex Keratin Care Smoothing Conditioner is more than just a basic rinse. It's a smoothing, hydrating treatment designed for all hair types, whether your hair is dry, damaged, color-treated, or you've had a keratin treatment done. This product is formulated to lock in moisture, enhance softness, and control frizz like a pro. Now let's talk ingredients and performance. This conditioner contains keratin, which is a structural protein your hair naturally has, but often loses due to heat styling, coloring, and environmental stress. By replenishing keratin externally, this conditioner helps rebuild strength, add smoothness, and boost that natural shine. And it's cruelty-free, so you can feel good about what you're using. Its consistency is creamy, but not too heavy, so it won't weigh down your hair or leave any greasy residue. You simply apply it after shampooing, leave it on for a minute or two, then rinse. The bottle itself is 13.5 fluid ounces. That's roughly 300 milliliters, giving you a solid amount of product for regular use. It's especially effective when paired with the Keratin Complex Keratin Care Shampoo, which is designed to work in tandem with it. Now let's talk pricing and availability. On Amazon, this product is currently listed at $19.83, down from a regular price of $30. That's a 34% discount, and it works out to about $1.47 per fluid ounce. If you're ordering from outside the US, like India, keep in mind there's a shipping and import deposit fee of around $24.40. So you might want to stock up or bundle it with other Keratin Complex products to make the most of the shipping cost. Speaking of bundling, Amazon recommends combining this conditioner with the Keratin Complex Shampoo, leave-in conditioner, and even a multi-benefit treatment spray for a complete hair care regimen. Altogether, the full bundle comes to around $111.83, but you can pick and choose based on your needs and budget. What's also great is that the Keratin Complex brand is a well-respected name in the salon industry, known for professional-grade formulas that deliver real results. This conditioner is no exception. It's been bought over 1,000 times this past month alone, and it's even tagged as Amazon's choice in its category. To wrap this up, if your hair is crying out for moisture, strength, and frizz control, and you want a product that fits easily into your routine without any complicated steps, the Keratin Complex Keratin Care Smoothing Conditioner is definitely worth trying. Whether you're maintaining a keratin treatment or just want healthier, shinier hair, this is a standout product. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more product breakdowns and honest reviews. See you in the next video.